At LEEYIN, we lead China's decorative wall panel industry with nearly 20 years of expertise. Our commitment is to deliver high-quality, customizable solutions to global businesses. Established in 2006, we have continually innovated in the decorative wall panel sector, earning a reputation for reliability and excellence. With nearly 20 years of export experience, we have served markets across North America, Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, partnering with over 3,000 renowned international OEM businesses. Our advanced 20,000 square meter automated production facility ensures superior quality with an annual capacity exceeding 2 million square meters of panels. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, our facility includes automated production lines for laminating, cutting, assembling, dust removal, and packaging. We provide comprehensive support from customization to logistics and a 1-year warranty on all products, ensuring a seamless experience for every client. Our dedicated team of over 200 professionals drives our success, committed to innovation and customer satisfaction. LEEYIN, quality you can trust.